Hey, we're going to talk about the spray jet option that's available on all of our scrubbers. Today we've got a rider scrubber. The spray jet's located on the back of the machine. The benefits of this option is that it takes the water that you're scrubbing with in your solution tank, pressurizes it, and allows you to distribute that solution through the garden hose. On the riders, to activate the system, there's a toggle switch on the rear of the machine. You flip that up. You can take off as much hose as you need. You can use it to pre-treat the floor. Another popular feature for the spray jet is when you go to rinse out your recovery tank, you can tilt back. You would obviously have your drain hose dropped, and you can use it to rinse any of the solids and debris out of your recovery tank. So pre-treating a floor, rinsing out your recovery tank, or you can squirt your coworkers. Another benefit of using the spray hose is that you can clean your brushes off when you're done, you can rinse out your hopper, and most importantly, if you don't have a clean water source where you drain the machine, you can use this to clean your machine out at the end of the day. Whenever you are done, once you've cleaned the machine up, make sure that you turn this toggle switch off and that you bleed any of the pressure out of the hose. Wrap it up. And you're done for the day.